Hello YouTube, Inconsistent Gardener here, and I am going to try to air layer my Jacaranda. Maybe this will be the success I'm looking for. We'll see. But I'm going to show you all the tools I'll be using, and then we'll get started. Rooting gel that I use for other things. And then I'm going to also put a little bit of cinnamon. And then in this bucket down here, we have coconut coir because I couldn't find any peat moss. So we're going to try the coconut coir. And I'm going to layer this branch and then a branch over here, but I'll zoom in once I start on that. I have brand new clippers because I didn't want to clean any of the other ones. They're all kind of rusty and need to be like cleaned, and I'm just so lazy. And then I have these root pods. So we're going to use those. I'm going to use their cloning gel on gel. Why can't I say gel? Gel on one of them. And then I'll use my cloning gel on the first one here. So the first thing we want to do is cut down to the cambium layer. Is that what it is? Okay, so we're going to do that right here. I've decided I'm going to put it somewhere here. So I'm going to score here and then up here. I'm going to go ahead and take those off too. Just plop them in this water for now. Would be better if I had one of those gardening knives. They're so expensive. Alright, I think that'll be good enough. Now, I'm gonna wait for that airplane to pass. I live near a small airport. I'm just going to take a little bit of this gel on this toothpick, and I'm just going to wipe it on there. Now, keep in mind, I've never done this before in my life. You are witnessing my very first air layering, which could be a failure or a success. We'll hope for the latter, but probably expect the former. Okay. Now I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on there. The cinnamon is an antibacterial, and it also can be used as a cloning gel itself, or cloning, solution. Whatever. I don't know the words. What am I, a word person? No. Okay, now what do I do with my root pod? Oh, I didn't even realize, because I'm dumb, but they give you everything that you need to get started, even the dirt. So I'm going to use this on the second one. I'm going to use everything they gave me on the second one, and then mostly my stuff on the first. Alright, and then we're just going to... I cut a little too high, I guess. I'm just going to clamp it right on there. Probably would have been better if I rinsed my hands off. There we go. And there you go. Ta-da! AirPod 1 done. Now I'm going to move you to the second one. Alright, here's the second one. Okay, so this is the information they gave me. I'm going to leave it right here for a few seconds, so maybe in theory you can pause and read it. And maybe I had my other one a little too wet, but we'll see. That's why we're doing a couple of them. Alright, and I'll be right back, and then we'll get started. Alright, so just for information's sake, this rooting gel they gave me, it's pretty old. It's been a long time since I bought it, because I thought I was going to do this days ago, and then of course I couldn't, hence my name. Anyway, so just so you know. But my other stuff is a couple years old too, I believe. I said moist but not wet, so I'm just squeezing out excess water. And I'm just gonna pack it. Am I even in the camera? Probably not. Anyway, I just squeezed out the dirt before I put it in here, so it's less than the other side was. And this time I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter than the last one I did, because they say about an inch. So, of course I'm still going to do a little bit more than that. Uh-oh, my spring came off. Yes, these are dollar store pruners. I have found them to be quite sufficient at everything, and they're cheap when you leave them out or ruin them. I highly recommend them. These ones and the green handled ones, which are the sharper blade. It's got like a sharp blade tip. It's hard to see with this other branch in my face. I'm sure that's good enough. Okay. So then we're going to add in the cloning gel. And it's got a little brush applicator, see? So you can just brush it right on, which that's freaking awesome. Trying not to curse in this video. Alright, now we're going to add on the pod. You'll do it so you can see it, eh? Just so that that part's in the middle there, as best I can. Let me just squeeze it and clip it. Easy peasy. Alright, so there we are. Both AirPods are on. I'll just back up so you can see the whole thing. So we got one over here, and then we got one over here, and then we'll just zoom in. We got that one there, and then we got this one over here. Now also, this one's going to be way more exposed to the sun than that one, and that one's nice and hidden. So we'll see. We'll see if that matters. But anyway, I will keep you updated. As soon as I see something, I will definitely make a video. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, ring the bell if you want to know when I post them, since they're so erratic. And also, what was the other thing I was going to say? Share this video if you like it, please, to anyone who you think may enjoy it. I'll appreciate it. And hopefully they'll appreciate the information. Alright, have a great day, everyone.